Hey girl, welcome back. This is Taco Tuesday. So today we are going to cook tacos. My family has Taco Tuesday every night of the week, or we have some type of Mexican dish to just celebrate Taco Tuesday. And the goal is for them to come back home to me when they grow up and move out for Taco Tuesday. So we're trying to start these family traditions so they can keep coming back to me because, yeah, I don't want them to leave me forever, come back and see me. So we are going to get started. Let me say this though. Okay, so I've said so like 30 times already. Yeah, let's count how many times I say so this video. Let's see. We were supposed to have tacos like a day ago. But my mother-in-law blessed us with a meal that day, so we didn't have them, but I had already cooked the meat. So I am a step ahead. I already have my meat prepared, but that would be the first thing that I would start doing. I would start preparing my meat for the tacos. But again, she blessed us with Chick-fil-A today, so I didn't have to cook. Well, I did have to cook the meat. It was already cooked. But like I said, I just went ahead and put it up. So I'm going to get that out the fridge. And we're just going to warm it up. And then we'll start adding the season to it. And we always use ground chicken. We have not had ground beef tacos in so long. Probably like before COVID started happening. Because the ground chicken is just so much better. And I always get the ground chicken. This is frozen. I always get the ground chicken from Trader Joe's because they have the best. We don't really like the flavor of the Tyson ground chicken from Target and then the Kroger brands. The Purdue, I think. It's like no. So we always eat the Trader Joe's. I'm going to start with this. And then come along and see what else we have happening. How was your day? Did you have a good day today? Yeah. I hope you had a great day. When you look into my eyes, what do you see? She's looking at me. Okay, am I looking here or do I look here? Where do I look? I look here at you. Okay, hey girl. Hey. Come with me. Follow me. Hey girl. So now what we're going to do is add our meat that we cooked. It is pre-cooked. It's fully cooked though, okay? Make sure you fully cook your meat. Our fully cooked meat is being added to our pan just so that it can warm up a little bit. And we usually use all El Paso brand products. We like the El Paso brand seasoning. And we also use the El Paso brand taco shells just because we found that that's what we like, right? That tastes better to us. But you use whatever you like. Whatever your preference is what I always encourage you to do. I'm not trying to make you do the things that I like to do because, girl, you may not like what I like. And that's okay because we're different, right? So we are going in with our seasoning. And I have found that ground chicken is a little harder to season than ground beef. So I normally add 1 full pack of taco seasoning. And then I'll go back in and add a little bit of a second pack. And then I'll just keep that second pack around so that when, the next Taco Tuesday comes, I still have that pack that I opened. And then I'll just add another pack to it. And girl, clean up your mess as you go. Okay? It helps you to stay on task, and it helps you from having to clean up a lot when you're done cooking. So yeah. Clean up as you go, girl. So now we're just gonna mix in our seasoning with our water and make sure that it's evenly distributed amongst the chicken. We want to make sure that every single piece of chicken has enough seasoning on it, because ain't nobody got time for no bland chicken for real. So here it is, simmering up. You see it? Ooh, I can't wait to eat these tacos. All right, so we always buy romaine lettuce. I don't really like iceberg lettuce. Plus, it's not healthy for you. But your preference is your preference. Again, girl. But we are just chopping it up. And I make sure that when I cut it into, or try to at least cut it into small strips, so that it's easier to just lay inside of the taco shell. Ew, look at this piece. It's disgusting. Yeah, so we're just going to throw that out. And I always cut it down to the bottom of the head. And I just pick these up from Sam's or Costco, because whatever we don't use for Taco Tuesday, we usually keep for our salads. I try to take a salad a day. I try, we'll see. But yeah, we're just going to cut up into smaller pieces so that we can make sure that we can get inside of those taco shells. And then when it's time to have our salad, we already have pre-cut romaine lettuce. Look at me just chopping away. Chop, chop, Jessica, chop, chop. Yeah, watch that blade though, girl. That's right. Watch that blade. Up here we are cleaning up again. Make sure you put your trash in the trash, honey. And baby, clean that lettuce. Clean that lettuce. We don't know where it came from. And we don't want anything inside of our body that we don't have to put in there, And normally I just clean it with the salad spinner, put a little water in there, put a little ice cube in there to make sure that it keeps that crunch. And then we'll spin it a little bit. And sometimes when I feel like I want to make sure that it's extra dry for the tacos, because we don't want soggy shells, I'll go back over it with a paper towel so that I can soak up all the moisture out of it. So that's what we're going to do here. Oh, I was moving slow, huh? Girl, where are you? Oh, there you are. So we're just soaking up all the moisture out of that romaine lettuce. It was so much in there. Okay, so I am a bake your shells girl. I always bake my taco shells. We use two different kinds. Both, again, are old El Paso brand. I like regular shells. Cameron likes the spicy shells. Sometimes Carter will go in between. And Kennedy usually eats just the regular shells with me. She does not eat the meat, though. She has her own creative way of making her taco. She is not a vegan or vegetarian. She does eat some meat, but I think it's more of a texture thing. And I don't know why I had to fight with these taco shells the way that I did. We were like fighting. Like, I almost think that the taco shells won, because I had trouble opening up my shells, the regular shells, and I had trouble opening up the spicy shells. And be careful if you buy those spicy shells. Make sure when you touch them that you don't touch your eye, girl, because it will burn. And yeah, we don't like to burn. Look at me fighting with the plastic. And then I don't use the broken shells. I just trash those. Now, sometimes if we are doing taco salad or something like that, Cameron may take one of the broken shells and add it to his taco salad. But normally, I just put them in the trash because that's giving no. I don't want a broken shell. I try to always use the timer because I am known to walk away and then forget something was in the oven. So we're going to set our timer for 7 minutes. Ooh, and look at those shells. They came out looking good. Now, these are Cameron's. These are the spicy shells. Look at that meat. We're loading our tacos up. We start with our meat first because that's the base of our taco. So we're going to get the second one loaded up really good too. Now, girl, don't knock that ground chicken until you try it. If you have not tried it, you have to try it. And then let me know what you guys think. I really want to know what you guys think. And then if you try to assemble your tacos the way that we do, let me know what you think about that too. I'm so hungry just looking at this. Get into it, girl. Get into it. Oh, and Cameron likes meat on his tacos. He does not want me to give him a little baby taco, right? The cheese, divine. If you have not tried this Tillamook farmhouse shred cheese, that's the best sharp cheddar cheese that I've ever had. And we only use sharp cheddar on our tacos. Some days we'll buy the block and we'll actually shred it. Today we did a little cheat code. Alright, so my romaine is crunchy. Remember, I put the ice cube inside there and let it sit for a little while. So it has that good crunch. I can see the crunch. I can hear the crunch when I was putting it on the taco. And it was just divine, too. Girl, we're stuffing it in there. Stuff those tacos, Jessica. Stuff them. Alright, so our picante sauce. We're going in with our picante sauce. This is just a regular picante sauce, and I try to spread it evenly. I'm an even girl. I want to taste the same thing with every single bite. So we just spread it amongst the trail of the taco, starting from left to right, just like you read from left to right. Oh, this right here, this is the topper. This is what sets the taco off. Every Tuesday, we go to Moe's. We get the queso. They know us. They know us. They give us a bowl of queso. Girl, when you put this on your taco, good Lord. Good Lord. This stuff is so good. This stuff will have you wanting to eat tacos every single day. I promise we could eat tacos 2 or 3 times a week if we wanted to, because it's just that good. Okay, let me just say this. That was delicious. And guess what, girl? I forgot to show y'all me eating it. I was getting real big energy and I just forgot, So I hope you still love me, but I'm stuffed right now. That taco, girl, I ate 2. What about? I ate 2. I'm like, Peyton, what about? It was good. It was real good. I ate 2. But yeah, so that's our Taco Tuesday. Thanks for spending your Tuesday with us. We are going to go ahead and get ready for the bed now. Because it's a weeknight and we still have real life tomorrow.
Sorry.
Yes, son.
I was just asking.
What you need, babe?
Can we make some sweet potato pie?
Sweet potato pie?
Yeah, I want some sweet potato pie.
You do? When would you like to have sweet potato pie?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I really want sweet potato. Don't we have pie crust though?
We do have pie crust already, but we need to get sweet potatoes. We need a list of the ingredients. You have to call Auntie Pearlie
Yeah, she knows how to make
so she can give you her recipe.
Okay.
and then we can make it, okay?
Have you seen my mini football?
I have not. But yeah, girl, those tacos were delicious. So, thanks for sticking around and enjoying Taco Tuesday with us. Big bags over here.
You sissy. What?
Oh, nothing. See you later, girl.